Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and anything you requested down below. It is the weekend, so let's hope that there is not another fear attack on a Sunday. If there is another someone using the media and the news to put fear of World War III or a war with Iran, Israel, realize that they're doing it on Sunday because there's no ETFs to buy the dip, and they use it to manipulate the price, and that's what happened last Sunday. Hit the subscribe button, smash a thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Bitcoin came down to a low of 49k and then bounced. Big bull flag forming here on the hourly charts. 46,579 watches, 2.2 trillion market cap. Bitcoin reached 62,500, pulled back to 59,500, and then bouncing back to 60,600. To me, it looks like a big bull flag with huge volume. Fear and greed is now neutral, 48 neutral. Funding fee is still negative. Bitcoin price still 60,675. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. And this is the market yesterday. Ethereum was down, Solana World down 6%, Solana 4%, Bitcoin 1.6%, Doge 3%, total market cap 1.8, Uni 2, Pocket 4, BNB 1.7, Meta was up, Tesla was up, Nasdaq was up, Google down, MCRT slightly down, Bitcoin 60,649. Let's start on to the let's go weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this candle finishes in 2 days. It looks like it'll be one of the higher week volumes for Bitcoin. The last time we had such a high volume week, we still got 2 days remaining, would be only 3 other days back in March. I would say the FTX crash in November 2022. Huge bullish candlestick, Japanese candlestick. This looks like a hammer candle, which is good news. Hammer candles are like this. The price starts, it drops down, it wicks back up, and it finishes the week up like this. That's a hammer candle, what you're seeing here. So it's showing strength in the market. We still have 2 days remaining. Crypto Guru Bot, which you get in the Crypto Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com, fired a blue buy in 21k. It's still a blue buy now. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired the sell at the top at 72k, did not refire a buy. Let's go closer into the daily. Daily stochastic slightly turning down. Volume still strong, which is good news. We're in the second to third impulse, in my opinion. And that second to third impulse is the biggest of the impulse waves. So I think 72k would be the place we take a claim. Also, what we have here is a broadening wedge. I'm going to keep this here, actually, because that last Sunday was a attack on the market. So this is still, when I zoom out on the weekly, we still have a giant bull flag. So pole and flag, huge one, which builds pressure, and breaks out the distance of the pole, that distance there. So we still have a giant bull flag forming. And my target of 72 is still in. Okay, let's go on to, we're in a channel. It's not a rising, this is not a rising wedge. This is just the climbing channel that Bitcoin is in right now. You can see it's like climbing on this channel. If that continues, we should be getting a bounce according to this channel soon. Bounce towards 68k. It is a little bull flag as well. When you go in the 4 hourly, there's a little bull flag forming here. See this? Pole and flag, which is a little bull flag. I would try to take the trade on the weekly support if not yet active. Try and take it on the weekly. Stop loss. Yesterday's trade did not yet activate. Very tight stop loss. I would take a trade like that. Opening 58,000, stop loss 56,800. Take profit 72k. Risk to reward is 11 times. Risking 1,200 to make $14,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, $140,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my $500,000 account and my $300,000 Bitcoin trade under the video. Go down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a $60,000 bonus now when you meet their trading requirements. Take the Crypto Master Course to learn all this. You get the Crypto Indicator Bot, the Bitcoin Indicator Bot, the Crypto Guru Bot, and you'll learn how to trade. And then join us in the Telegram. Few hundred of you any one time online trading. Over on Bybit, my account right now is 598. Yesterday we hit 612. Still from the bottom of the week, 530 to 598. So I made 60K, this $68,000 this week, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade is $17,000 in the profits, getting a little bit of a bounce back here, and bull flag forming on Bitcoin, everyone. And these are where I sold. This is where I sold Bitcoin on the, when did I sold it on the 30th. The 1st of August, I sold at 65K, and then I bought at 48K, 49K, and now we're at 60,700. And my trade's $17,000 in the profits. Yesterday, I'm 599,111. Look at this, how fast it changes. 599,243. It fluctuates super quick, this account. Let's see if it updates again. In here, I'm holding Bitcoin 2.4, Bitcoin 146,000. USDT 135,000, MCRT 65,000, Uniswap 58,000, down 2%, Doge 39,000, up down 3%, World 21,000, down 5%. These are the ones that I bought yesterday. They got here, and I got 18K worth of Ethereum at 2,300. So those are my holdings right now, and my breakdown of assets is MCRT 13%, Uniswap, Uniswap 11%, USDT 27%, Bitcoin 29%, MCRT 13%, Doge 7%. Let's go into your comments and read some of your comments. And then, hi James, love your videos, your number one trade. You're number one in your trade. You help so many people. Thank you. We totally appreciate it. Could you please analyze the Sandbox? I remember when it's $4, now 20 cents. Got to be worth jumping into, isn't it? Looking forward to hearing when you have time. Thank you, Michael. Let's check out Sandbox. Sandbox, everyone, I'll do Ethereum and then Sandbox. So if Sandbox was a play to earn game, and play to earn space dropped a lot in this recent bull market because it hasn't been a bull market. It's been I talked about this in the interview with Lark Davis. It's a ETF pump. Ethereum came down all the way to 2,100. Got a bounce back to 2,600. I got it at 2,000. I managed to buy Ethereum very cheap on that dip, actually. You can see here, my Ethereum buys were crazy on point. On spot, check out this. I literally bought Ethereum exactly on the bottom of that drop. Look at that, 2,098. What a buy on Ethereum. Everyone see my buy on Ethereum? Amazing. So, okay, what happens next? Daily, let's go into the weekly. On Ethereum weekly, massive week down, broke that bullish triangle, came down all the way to the major support. So major support is down here, 2,095. If there is any war escalation or any bad news, it will come down again to possibly even 2,000. Stochastic oversold on the weekly. On the daily, Stochastic also oversold, volume increasing. I'll try and take it as long from this support, if not yet taken, from here, 20,000, or actually yearly support, 2285, a riskier trade, but that's one I would try to take. And then going for the top of the ETF bull of this will be 4,700. Risk toward 35 times, risking $69 to make $2,400 per Ethereum with no leverage. 10x leverage, $24,000. Let's go into Sandbox. I don't follow Sandbox. You have to do your own due diligence on this, everyone. I'll just do the technicals. Bybit Spot, it launched at $1.80, went all the way to $8, and then just bled out all the way to 26 cents. So you have a support at 20 cents. That was a major support. To be honest, I wouldn't buy it here until you get like some support building. Volume did increase, but 21 cents is one buy area. We don't know how much lower it can get. That's one buy area. A possible another one, if this trend continues on Sandbox, you could get, maybe it comes down to here, even if it bounces and then comes down 16 cents on Sandbox. These are two areas that are buy, but again, it's looking for new lows, so be very cautious. Let's see some more comments. Where's a good place to take profit on Uni? I just bought into Uni, so I'm going to hold it to around $12, I think. I'm holding very good amount of Solana. Should I switch to Ethereum? Solana pumped very much recently. Great job on Solana. Ethereum is getting the ETF, so it would be smart to take some of those profits for Solana and move it into Ethereum, but you have to do your own due diligence. Bitcoin looking like a giant bull flag right now. Do you see any top this cycle 40 weeks after halving? No, I think the top is exactly. So every time I've looked at the previous history in 2016, 2020, when Bitcoin halves, it takes 560 days. After the halving, you have a drop. And then at the top of the bull market is 560 days. We're 100 or less than 100 days in since the halving. So I think we have much more to go, in my opinion. That's my updates in the market, everyone. Don't forget, join us in Telegram. There's right now 132 of you online discussing and trading and sharing and talking together crypto. It's one of the best communities in the entire space. Someone also asked me, I feel this I tweeted on 8th, I feel like selling before the weekend before they scare us with another war on Sunday and we shit our pants. It was a little bit of a joke, but most likely they will use Sunday as an attack with the ETFs being closed. So just keep that in mind. We might drop, but I did not close my positions. It could be smart to do, but I feel after that recent drop on Sunday, I don't think they'll do it this Sunday, to be honest. But be cautious out there on the weekends with the ETF closed. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.